Knowing that the buffer system is a temporary arrangement, what usually provides the outright or the definitive control of acid-base balance is the kidney, because it has the ability to either excrete, secrete, or reabsorb any component of the acid-base balance that is defective, that is present in either a very high amount or present in a very low amount. And there are different ways by which the kidney does that. Here I have a list of several mechanisms by which the kidney ensures that the pH of the body is maintained at a very steady state. For example, we have the sodium hydrogen exchanger system. This works in a situation where you have a lot of hydrogen ion in circulation, in a situation of acidosis, where for whatever reason, maybe due to physiological activity or a pathological activity, there is a lot of hydrogen ion in circulation. The kidney is able to secrete the hydrogen ion out of the body in exchange for sodium ion in what we call the sodium hydrogen exchanger system, in order to ensure that the excess hydrogen ion are excreted from the body and the body is able to maintain the normal pH. Apart from the sodium hydrogen exchanger system, the other mechanism by which the kidney maintains acid-base balance is by bicarbonate reclamation. This is the system in which all the bicarbonates that are filtered through the glomerular filtration are reabsorbed back into the body in order to ensure that the pH of the body is maintained at a steady state. Also, there is bicarbonate regeneration, which tends to go a further step ahead of bicarbonate reclamation to generate more bicarbonate for the body in situations where there is a dire need for bicarbonate in the body. There is also excretion of hydrogen ion in situations where hydrogen ion is present in a very large amount. The kidney is able to excrete them by their combination with H2PO4, which is a urinary buffer, to excrete hydrogen ion out of the body. There is also the use of urinary ammonia buffer to excrete excess hydrogen ion in the body. So these are the different mechanisms by which the kidney is able to maintain the pH of the body and ensure that there is no excess hydrogen ion circulating in the body. And in situations where there are not enough bicarbonate buffer to mop up excess hydrogen ion, the kidney has the ability to generate bicarbonate in the body to support the function of the buffer system in the body.